Want to customize your iPhone with different app icons? This video shows you how to use the Shortcuts app in under 1 minute. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, you will need to open the Shortcuts application, which comes pre-installed on every iPhone. Inside the app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to start creating a brand new shortcut. Next, you must tap on the Add Action button and then search for and select the Open App action. Tap on the light blue app text, and then choose the specific application whose icon you want to change. Now tap on the name at the top. A menu will pop up. Tap on Rename. Write a name that will show on the home screen. I will write the name of the app. Now let's add the app to the home screen. Tap on the icon that has an eye at the bottom. Tap on Add to Home Screen. You can now select an icon and a color for your new icon. Also, you choose a new photo from your gallery, then tap Add to finish. You see now that I put an icon with my parrot for the Grok app. You can do this for any app. Subscribe for more short and concise videos that get you what you need to know in under 1 minute.